sitting at a lovely restaurant with my Chechenian friends. It's amazing, you know. I've been showing me around the town, the city here, and taking wonderful places. Now they brought me to the restaurant, and they're going to buy me a meal, and I have to choose anything I want to eat. Oh my God, this has been the best experience of my life. What an experience. Look at these guys. Everybody is just happy. And that's Maga, that's his friend. And this is another one of his friends. Yeah, these guys, they met at university. And that's another one of his friends sitting over there. It was me and Maga sitting here when the friends came and joined us. And they just came and joined us. It was great. Chechnya is a Muslim country.